What is going on, guys? It's your boy George, back at it with another video today. Today's a little different. It's not a sneaker unboxing, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the Better Generation times Houston Rockets hat. It's a New Era hat that released around the week of December 20th, and I want to go ahead and picked it up, and I just want to go ahead and show you guys this hat and take a closer look at it and talk about sizing, and we'll also see what it looks like on my head. So we'll go ahead and get into that right now. Okay guys, let's go ahead and take a closer look and unbox this Better Generation times Houston Rockets New Era hat. So it just comes in a standard cardboard box. Better Generation right here. They got PJ Tucker and the little Spaceman logo right here. So this brand, this company is I think co-founded by PJ Tucker and Brandon Davis. And I think the whole thing about this company is that they're trying to start a sneaker store in Houston, open a sneaker store in Houston, which is pretty exciting. We don't have as many stores as we should, honestly, because we have a huge sneaker culture here. So it's definitely great to see that they're trying to open up and create something new here for the city of Houston. So I'm all for that. And I love this collaboration they did with the Houston Rockets, and I think it came out great. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So just got right here. All right. So it comes in like a standard tissue paper. You got the Better Generation logo right there. Let's go ahead and take that out. Wow, what a beautiful hat. Wow. So here it is, the Better Generation times the Houston Rockets New Era hat. So the first hat that released just like this one was the black corduroy one, and I missed out on that hat, but I was not going to miss out on this one. The forest green, once I saw this one, I thought it was just a beautiful colorway. I love hats that are this color, and I just love the embroidery on the planets and everything. It just looks so nice. And just it being for the Houston Rockets, it makes so much sense. So I thought that was so cool. And also this hat is a low profile hat, which means that right here the crown is lower than on your standard fitted. So you see this one on the right is a lot bigger than this one right here on the left. So I love that it's a little bit more low profile. It's not the crown's not as big on your head. One thing I do want to tell you guys about sizing is to make sure you know your fitted size, because honestly it varies on each hat. Like I've had that trouble. Like this hat literally is a 7.5. This one is a 7 3/8, and it still fits me a little bit big. So go ahead and go to your lids and try on all the fitted hats that fit you, and make sure you find the right one before you buy a hat. So inside just standard, but on the bottom right here we got a nice gray brim, and yeah, and in the back right here we also got the Better Generation logo, but that's about it. And let's go ahead and take a look how it looks like on my head.